Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a pretty interesting video. As you can see, we're in the E90 M3 right now. We're currently headed up to Sean Rowe's shop, which is Mashimaro, if you guys know. We're gonna go check out his E92 M3 that he has, and then also possibly pick up some parts for the E90. So enjoy this video. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, we just saw a absolutely modded out E90 M3 that we're just going to have to go look. Hold up. Like, we're driving on the way to Mashimaro's right now, and I literally just saw like a pretty modded out E90 M3. Hold up.
Ooh,
what
it's
the?
blue. It looks in Le Mans.
Hold on a second. I literally have been telling Jagger there's like no.
Damn!
Jesus.
Oh my gosh, 2088. Dude,
What are those? Dude, that's so sick.
that thing's money.
That is awesome. All right, now we'll like actually go to a shop.
Yeah, I want to see this thing.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, here. Wow, look at those wheels, man.
All right, so we just got to Sean's shop, and I had let him know that we were coming, and he has something kind of just a tad bit over the top over here that he said he was going to be bringing out. This is the E92 M3. This thing is on BBs with a dirty front GT4 lip. This thing is immaculate. Holy crap. Full cage, Recaros, manual, everything. This thing is insane. Carbon trunk that's paint matched.
Dude, look at the interior.
This thing is absolutely wild. In
M-Track wheel.
oh crap, M-Track wheel. This is a properly done E9X M3. Just look at the thing. I'm also recording on my phone because my camera is dead, so
Tough. How's it going, man?
oh, perfect already. Like, Jesus Christ.
Hold on, yeah, let me get my phone out.
That is insanity. Oh my God, that is like carbon galore. That is insane.
When you said you had paint matched valve covers too?
Yeah.
My springs are going out. They're back. I rubbed now because of my old spring.
Did you price on that? So we may have done something not very good.
Hi there, how are you?
Alright, sorry. Yeah, we went to Mashimaro's, just got a couple parts. Gonna be giving you guys a part haul when we get back.
Brutal.
Alright, so we just got back to Jagger's from Mashimaro's, and this is so far what we've picked up. So we have the GT4 carbon fiber front lip, carbon mirrors, and then we have the little like red M button. So I believe for now just going to be installing the caps and the button, and then the lip is going to be next week. Sean is going to do that himself because it's like you have to take the bumper off and everything, make sure it lines up like all right and like everything looks good, because if you don't install it right, the bumper looks like trash. So we're going to be doing that next week. So let's go ahead and get started with the mirror caps, and then we'll install the button on the steering wheel. Okay, so just got the OEM mirror cap off, so now going to be putting on the carbon one. So here's how it looks before. Just the normal paint colored or paint matched mirror. and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, so here's the first one done, installed. Overall fitment's pretty good. And I think it makes the car look awesome. I'm gonna be adding carbon bits here and there. Like I showed you guys, the GT4 front lip, the mirrors, and then also gonna be possibly adding a diffuser in the rear just to make it like an OEM plus, like kind of GT4 car. So here is the passenger side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the driver's side as well. All right, so both sides are on. There is the driver's side. Everything looks good. Probably gonna have to clean like the rest of the car. And then there is the passenger side again. It is like extremely scary putting these on because it sounds absolutely horrible, but it gives it a pretty good like small touch to the car. Like it's, I don't know, I feel like it's pretty subtle compared to like a spoiler or a lip, like I don't know, or maybe like some wheels. So there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the M button. All right, so quick update. I currently have the airbag and then the actual cover off. There you see the normal black M button, and then airbag is over there. So we're gonna go ahead and change this out real quick. All right, so we got the red on. This entire piece is kind of like worn and stuff. Possibly thinking about maybe upgrading it or just replacing it with a new one, more fresh. But that is the red. Gonna go now and put it back on. All right, here is how the car sits right now. So mirrors are on, and then button is installed. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below about it. Probably eventually gonna be getting rid of that, but we got some big things coming, so stay tuned.